Alright, today we're just out here. It's a really nice day, Sunday. It's like 85 degrees, super nice. Anyway, just got it's Husqvarna. It's a 359. It's good shape, good saw. We did a little bit of port work to it. Opened up the muffler, and when I say port work, we did a little grinding to the cylinder. Opened up the exhaust port, and take port match the transfers. The 359s are really gross. There's a lot of flat surfaces, really a lot of obstructions, and when you do that, they rip. They flow a lot of air. They make good power, and I'll show you that, in a moment. But anyway, I'll show you the rest of the saw. It's in good shape. Plastics are in good shape. It's got 18-inch bar and chain on there, 3/8 chain, and yeah, it runs good. All right, so I guess I'll show you that right now. Sawdust all over the camera. Anyway, saw rips. Anyway, questions, comments, yeah, feel free to ask them. Thank you.